In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a Classpass gift card. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to choose, and how to send it so it arrives right on time. First, open your browser and head to the official Classpass website. Make sure the address looks correct and that you see the trusted branding before you proceed. This keeps your purchase secure and ensures the gift card works as expected. Once you're on the site, look for the option that says Send a Gift Card. It's typically featured in the main navigation or highlighted on the gifting page. Click that, and you'll be taken to the gift card setup. Next, choose your gift amount. Depending on your region, you might see credits or a dollar value. Credits are used like a balance within ClassPass to book classes and experiences. If you're not sure how far an amount will go, think about the recipient's city and the types of classes they enjoy, since prices vary. Don't overthink it. Credits and currency are both designed to make gifting simple. Now enter the recipient details. If you want the gift card sent to you so you can forward or print it later, enter your own email. If you prefer it to go straight to the person you're gifting, enter their email carefully. Double check for typos. A correct email ensures smooth delivery. Choose your delivery timing. You can send it immediately, which is great for last-minute gifts, or schedule delivery if that option is available in your region. Scheduling can be handy for birthdays and holidays. Keep time zones in mind if your recipient lives elsewhere. At this point, you'll be asked to sign in or create a ClassPass account. If you already have one, just log in. If not, setting up an account is quick and helps you track your purchase and any confirmation messages. When prompted, enter your payment method. You can use a credit card or a debit card. Make sure the card details are accurate before you proceed to avoid any hiccups during processing. Finally, complete checkout. After you confirm the purchase, you should receive a confirmation email, and your recipient will get their gift card based on the delivery option you selected. If they don't see it right away, it may land in promotions or spam folders, so that's a helpful place to look. And that's it. You've successfully bought a ClassPass gift card. Simple, fast, and a thoughtful way to share wellness experiences.